Trying to learn coding but feel totally lost and don't even know where to start? And you think coding is crazy exhausting? This video for you. The first question about programming is, do you need to be a genius for learning programming only for smart people? Well, it's hard. Programming is hard, but mostly cause your back and eyes are gonna hate you. Coding is hard, but just like any other job, the beginning is always hard. Coding can be confusing and challenging when you start, but here's the thing. You don't need to be a genius. Anyone can learn coding. The important part is having interest and passion about coding. It's a career that requires constant learning and staying up to date. And most importantly, if you are the kind of person who can't sit in front of computer for long, you are gonna find it pretty exhausting. Cause your eyes will burn, your back is about to experience a whole new level of pain.
My back! Oh, my back!
No, I'm just kidding. If you sit like this, not like this, and sit properly and follow good ergonomics, it's not that bad, probably. All I'm saying is you should enjoy working with the computer. Now you decide to start coding. The biggest question is, which programming language should I learn? Before anything else, I have to say there is no such thing as the best programming language. Each language is made for a specific purpose. It's like comparing a refrigerator to a car. They both serve their own purpose. So it's all about choosing the right tool for what you want to build. If you want to create websites, make games, dive into AI, or build mobile apps, each of these has its own languages and roadmaps. So figure out what excites you and go from there. There's a problem. A lot of people don't even know what they are really want, and the best way to realize what you want is watching some crash course. The most important thing in programming is learning the fundamentals and how to solve problems. Once you've got that down, learning any language becomes way easier. In my opinion, for starts, choose a language like Python or JavaScript. They are pretty beginner friendly and will give you a solid overview of programming. After some time, you will start realizing which language sparks your interest. But for now, just dive into the world of problem solving and just start. You might be wondering, do I need strong math skills for programming? Well, for most areas like website development, mobile apps, and even some games development, you don't need advanced math. Just have a basic understanding of math, you will be fine. But if you're diving into fields like artificial intelligence, then yes, you will need a solid math foundation in advanced level. As someone who just starting out with programming, I wouldn't recommend jumping straight into areas like machine learning or data analysis. Because if you don't have any minds from programming, besides you also need math skills, but your math skill can definitely help you solve problems more easily and open up your mind to different approaches. Consistency. That's the key to success in programming. Programming should become a habit for you. Give it some time every day, even if it's just a little. Along the way, your patience might be tested, but when you finally finish your project, the sense of accomplishment will make it all worth it. And one more thing. Please, at the start, try not to really using ChatGPT for help. You won't learn as deeply that way. AI is everywhere now, but if you want to actually understanding coding and programming, stick to using Google and other resources for a deeper grasp of what you are learning. You got this. Sometimes you have no idea how to fix your code and you just want to smash your keyboard. But don't worry, don't panic. This happens to every programmer. The trick is to break down the problem into a smaller chunk. It makes things way easier. You will be surprised how much more manageable it becomes. For example, break the problem into 4 steps and tackle it one step. Don't give up. It might be hard at first, but for everyone. You can do it, ask questions, get help from people on social media, and keep pushing forward. My name is Hasti, and I'm really happy I could help you even a little. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's it.